Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Please, if you're a new user, kindly click the notification bell and click on the subscribe button. Thank you. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this soft succulent milk bread. You do not have to waste money buying breads anymore. Well, that is if you watch this video to the end. In a clean bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup lukewarm milk. Okay, to that I'm going to break in 1 egg. And I'm going to add 2 and 1/4 teaspoon of yeast powder, active yeast powder please. Okay, and then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. In a separate bowl, I'm going to measure 3 cups of flour, and then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Well, that depends on if you are using an unsalted or salted butter. So to that, I'm going to add 50 gram unsalted butter, and then I'm going to mix it thoroughly with my wooden spatula before I move it to the workbench. This particular video, I'm going to give a special appreciation to my top commenters of last week. Please use this opportunity to leave your current location and your name in the comment section. That way I'm going to appreciate you in our next video. Today's appreciation goes to Andy Jovita. Thank you for always commenting in all our posts. Once your dough is as stretchy as this, then you know that it is ready for proving. What you are going to do now is to prepare your dough and prepare your tin where you are going to bake the bread. First of all, you're just going to flatten it up with your thumbs a little, and then you're going to fold it in. Begin to fold them in such a way that it's going to contain the loaf pan that you're using. Okay, this is very important to keep your pan well greased so that you don't have difficulty bringing out the bread once it's done. Alright, having done that, I'm just going to break 1 egg. But before then, I'm going to allow this to proof for at least 30 more minutes. Yeah, you can see that it has doubled in size. Okay, you can decide to leave your dough like this, or you can decide to just indent it a little to give it a beautiful look. Having done that, you're just going to egg wash this. Once you egg wash it, you put it in an already preheated oven. At least let it sit in the oven for the next 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you liked this video, and it will be very much appreciated if you can like this, share, and leave a comment. I'm Mama Rukayat, and do have a lovely day. Thank you.